Well, here's another very well job site made by your most trusted household brand in Singapore, Legate UltraZip at Irwell Hill. Let's go and see how will this Irwell unit turn out with Legate UltraZip installation. This balcony is so nice with the view, the clouds, and with fresh air. And it is more better with Legate UltraZip outdoor blinds. Imagine having your own moment here. You can just roll down the blind for an instant private space, or roll it up if you just want an outdoor space within your home. Legate UltraZip outdoor blind is well-designed blind that provide you protection against Singapore climate, privacy from your neighborhood, cozy vibe for your home, comfort with just a click away, and smart way with smart home integration. So, if you are looking for a well-rounded solution for your balcony, remember Legate UltraZip. With 25 years experience in safety and security, we assure you we are the best.